Welcome back to my channel. This is Anastasia and I'm happy to see you all back. I'm finally having a chance to sit down and film for you guys. I know I took a quick break from posting anything and I'm sorry for that, but I'm back and ready to share more DIYs with you and more backdrops and all this cool stuff. In this video, I want to share the balloon garland. This trend has been going for quite a while. I've seen a whole bunch of videos. I've seen so many pictures everywhere. I couldn't wait to just post a video on this, and I wanted it to wait just because I like to test the DIY or project that I'm making first before filming and see what works, what doesn't work, what can be done differently. And I think I found a way that works for me. So I'm ready to share this balloon garland with you guys. If you have any questions or suggestions, just comment down below and let me know what you think about this DIY or what you want to see on my channel later in my future videos. Just comment down below. Don't forget to like, share, and if you want to see this DIY, stay tuned and let's get to it. Here you have it. This is my take on a balloon garland. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up so I would know that you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, comment down below, and yes, I'll see you all back in my next video. Bye bye.